Chris from Whoop Chicken Expeditions. Anyways, you ever get off the trail, you gotta air back up, you gotta pop your hood so you can use your air compressor. Don't judge my crooked sticker. You gotta come all the way over here. You gotta come all the way back here. You gotta come all the way up here. There you go. Over your hood. You come over here and see what you're doing. Ah! You get your battery clamps, and you take your clamps and go booka booka booka, and then you're done. And then you run your air compressor. Well, I got tired of that crap. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna do this. Let's leave it all closed. Instead, we'll just come up here. Find a little cap. Come over here. Find your air compressor's plug. Take it. Plug it in. I'll have to open this. We'll just come down here. Come up here. Close it. Oh!